So I've been living by this quote for a little while right now. And the quote basically states that you get what you give, right? And this is so true. Look at look at physics. I think it's physics, yeah. So look at what Isaac Newton said. He said that for every action there's an equal and opposite force. So you're thinking about, I want to make $1 billion a second, right? Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, but you want $10 billion in a second. But how are you going to get there? Because everybody wants to become like a multi trillion, billion, killio, nilio, zillionaire, right? But how are you different? I think it's about giving value. So, for example, the reason that Amazon grew is because, well, he provided a better. So I don't know what the lighting was, by the way, but he provided a better. He provided more value than these like average dropshipping e-commerce businesses, right? He had a faster delivery service, less money. I don't know. They're way just faster, quicker, less money, faster delivery times. Oh, that's already what I said. I don't know, but I'm yapping right now. But yeah, man. Anyways, how did Elon Musk provide value to the world? Well, very simple. He created a whole new, like, I don't know, rocket, or he created a whole new electric car. He had a new opportunity at something different. People liked it because it solved the problem, which created value. So I think entrepreneurship is all about value and creating value. I feel like I'm pronouncing that word wrong, bro. Value. Value. Shit, man. But anyways, yeah, man, I think we should all do this more. Not even for our personal gain, even though I think we're all being able to make way more money when we give more value, when we help more people. So this is why I, for example, created these full guides, right? By creating free courses in my community. There's this thing called a lead magnet as well, and this kind of serves like a lead magnet. But yeah, man, I think the more you give, the more you get. This is the approach of Alex Ramosi as well. Why do you think Alex Ramosi is one of the best entrepreneurs out there? Because he's giving so much. He's giving everything he knows away for free. I think that's sick, bro. I fucking love that. And not only that, bro, but I think that when you give more, when you share your insights, when you shift people's paradigms, I think that when more people start doing this, and there's so many entrepreneurs out there who are going to do this, I think that's just creating such an amazing world, to be honest. Imagine you have like 100 entrepreneurs like Alex Ramosi, all sharing all their lessons, everything they learned, or even when there's like 5 of them, right? Bro, that's insane, man. I would love to see that. Imagine there are like multi-billionaires sharing their lessons. That's crazy. Now, I know Alex Ramosi isn't a billionaire yet, right? But soon, soon. Imagine there's like all these self-improvement YouTubers that are all, instead of just being there for their own sake of thinking like, oh, I'm just going to make like the billionth nofap video, where I just say like, oh, stop counting the days, bro, which literally everybody knows. Instead of doing that, you provide new insights. And the problem is, most people, I think, I, I don't want to talk about how to start a self-improvement channel because I have no credibility, right? However, I think that the problem is So I'm just going to talk about it anyways. But I think the problem is that most people don't have new insights to share. I think that's a problem. They all just want to become like Hamza 2.0 or Imagaji 2.0, Andrew Tate 2.0. But what's the new insight you're sharing? What's the value that you're creating? What are you helping people with, basically? I think it would be better if you created a full nofab guide or a full how to get girls guide or a full, I don't know, how to make money guide like I did, how to make a full happiness guide like I did, how to make a full mental health guide, a full productivity guide. Imagine there's just 30 people like that, all sharing full guides, and they all have like a credibility as well to do so. They're not just yapping. Then I think the world would even be a better place. Now imagine 1,000 people are doing this. Man, I think that would be fucking sick, bro. So yeah, man. Recently, I've stopped reading these normal books as well. I'm reading more books from Aristotle, meditations from Marcus Aurelius, autobiographies from Napoleon, because most people are not reading this. So that means that I get new insight that most people aren't getting, which means it kind of gives me a unique selling point. So kind of, I'm just different, basically. Yeah, man, I think that's important. So my question for you is, even if you're not a self-improvement YouTuber, or you're not even a YouTuber, you're maybe a writer, or you're a mechanic, you're I don't know, whatever the fuck you're doing, how can you provide more value to people? Even when you're smiling to people on the streets, bro. I found this, right? When I'm smiling to people, I make other people happy because they're smiling back. But I'm getting more happy myself. I'm like, oh, well, I'm in such a positive world because everybody's smiling back. And when I'm smiling, I genuinely feel happy. So that makes me happy as well. Yeah, man, I'm very grateful that I can share these lessons with you as well. They might not even get like so many views or so much attention, but I'm just grateful that I can share these lessons because I know in the future they will get more engagement, right? Because if my YouTube channel is going to be like 2 million, 1 million subs, then people are going to watch these videos. So if you're watching this in 10, 20 years from, or maybe like 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now, hello. So yeah, man, that's all I gotta say for today. Provide more value, bro. Help more people. Solve more problems. And it's genuinely going to change your life. I'm only at the start of this, bro. I'm only like, most people are like here. I'm like here. There's a different level here, right? So, yeah, man. I'm only experiencing like the tip of the iceberg, basically. The tip of the iceberg. I don't know, but yeah, man. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.